What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to fix the communication error in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So if you get this error, go ahead and exit the app. Then go to your recent history and remove the app from the recent history. From here, just quickly turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi connection or your mobile data connection, depending on which you're currently connected. After you've done that, go over to your mobile settings. Scroll down until you can see apps. Scroll down to the apps section right here. Then click on apps. And here a menu with all of the apps that you have installed will load. So in the search bar, just search for that app. Now once it pops up, just go ahead and select it. And from here, on this in-depth app menu right here, go over to the storage tab right here. And on this tab, just simply click Clear Cache button right here. Now exit your settings and try to open the app again. Now just tap on the screen and there we go. So that's how you can resolve or fix the Pokemon TCG Pocket authentication error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.